Hello, I'm Caspro, the lucky mascot of Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Keep watching.
So today we will see how to make a special and easy potato fry. So let's see what all are the ingredients. I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into small cubes. Then 3 garlic cloves. If you are using small garlic, then you can use 5 to 6 cloves. Half teaspoon pepper powder, then half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, then coriander leaves as per need, curry leaves as per need, and coconut oil 1 to 2 tablespoons or as per your need. Then salt to taste. First we will crush the garlic. Now we have to add all the ingredients to a bowl. Potatoes, garlic, pepper, chili powder. Pepper and chili powder you can adjust as per your choice. Then turmeric powder. Take half portion of coriander leaves from what I have shown earlier. Then curry leaves, salt and little oil. Mix all the ingredients well. At this time you can adjust your spices according to your choice. Now heat oil, add potato mixture and mix well. Close the lid and first 2 to 3 minutes cook on medium flame. Then reduce the heat to low and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. But don't forget to stir occasionally. It's almost 10 minutes. Now open the lid and fry for 2 to 3 minutes for medium fry. Or if you need crispy ones, then fry for 5 to 6 minutes on low to medium flame according to your burner. I fried for 5 more minutes. Now switch off the flame and garnish with coriander leaves. Now our yummy potato chili garlic fry is ready to serve. Serve this with rice or roti or anything of your choice. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Thank you.